Связь Engineering KB presents a high-technology project on the dynamic Russian market of high-tech printed circuit boards. The construction site is located within the Technological Innovation Special Economic Zone Dubna in the Moscow region. Years of operation and experience gained in the electronics industry prompted us to establish a state-of-the-art PCB facility in Russia, able to generate fast and high-quality solutions for the manufacture of new products using advanced technology and new construction materials. This mission was assigned to the newly established Связь Engineering KB Limited Liability Company, which became a resident of Dubna Special Economic Zone, located 100 kilometers from Moscow.
Since 2007, the company has been actively involved in research of the PCB market, current industry status and competitive environment. Economic and marketing investigations, as well as our own needs and the requirements of related industries, inspired us to set up our own high-tech production. We are expecting to become the key player in the large and promising market of high-technology PCBs in Russia.
Связь Engineering KB is a subsidiary of Связь Engineering Closed Joint Stock Company, a leading Russian manufacturer of industrial electronics.
Связь Engineering Closed Joint Stock Company is a large Moscow-based manufacturer of original electrical equipment for various industries. The company's annual turnover is more than $50 million. The existing production facilities cover 25,000 square meters, and the number of employees exceeds 700. A large manufacturer of electronics, the company is concurrently a major consumer of printed circuit boards, which are an indispensable element of modern electrical equipment.
The facility is located within the Technological Innovation Special Economic Zone Dubna. The zone was established to promote investments and create conditions for research and development activities, and produce prototypes and pre-production runs of high-tech products, with a priority placed on science, technology, and innovation.
Предприятие ООО «Связь Инжиниринг КБ»
Связь Engineering KB was incorporated in June 2010 within Dubna Special Economic Zone in order to establish a research and production facility to develop prototypes and new technologies for production of PCBs.
Resident status in the Dubna Special Economic Zone provides a number of important benefits. Easy access for transport, preferential granting of a land plot, free connection to engineering infrastructure, tax benefits, customs privileges, and a large concentration of technological innovation companies within the Special Economic Zone.
Связь Engineering KB was allocated a land plot of 23,470 square meters, where geodetic, geological, engineering and environmental surveys have been conducted, with their findings providing input for design.
The project includes the construction of a research and production building and office building, and all necessary utilities for power supply of the facility. There is parking for trucks and cars.
The facility design has been prepared by Impromashprom Moscow Design Institute Open Joint Stock Company, which has 75 years of experience in designing, machine building and instrument making productions. The facility's main construction characteristics consist of a land plot of 2.4 hectares, a research and production building of 12,000 square meters, an office building of 725 square meters, all engineering and communication infrastructure necessary for functioning of the enterprise, and parking for trucks and cars with 2 entrances. The power supply of the facility shall be in accordance with the specifications issued by the administration of the Special Economic Zone. The maximum power consumption will be 2.5 megawatts and the daily water consumption will be 140 cubic meters. Space planning and construction solutions, the number of floors and dimensions have been defined to meet process requirements. The research and production building is rectangular in shape, has a floor space of 12,000 square meters, 2 stories, dimensions of 56 by 126 meters, and a 475 square meter basement at 4.2 meters below ground level. The building structure is a framework of structural steel. The exterior is finished with sandwich panels in accordance with the facade color scheme. The office building has 2 stories, a floor space of 725 square meters, dimensions of 12 by 21 meters, and a basement under the entire building at 3.3 meters below ground level. The walls of the office building will be from lightweight concrete blocks and finished with color boards. The interior will be finished with modern materials.
Проект прошел государственную экспертизу.
The project has passed state expert review and received an approval which allowed the Dubna administration to issue a construction permit to Связь Engineering KB. The site preparation phase has been completed in accordance with the construction method statement. Now the buildings are being erected and off-site utilities installed. The construction completion and commissioning are scheduled for early 2014.
The planned facility will focus on meeting the demand from manufacturers and developers involved in prototype and small series production. High variety limited and prototype manufacturing is primarily oriented towards the needs of technological innovation companies involved in research and development in electronics and related fields. The design capacity is 55,000 square meters of PCBs per year, including 25,000 square meters of double-sided PCBs per year and 30,000 square meters of multi-layer and high-tech PCBs per year.
Our research and production facility project was developed to meet the requirements for manufacturing quality high-tech and super high-tech printed circuit boards. Our facility will manufacture a range of products such as multi-layer, flex rigid, metal base and SHF PCBs. The class of PCBs is at least 6 by national standards and 10 by European standards, ACB, with a minimum yield ratio of 90%. The facility development concept also includes a capability to produce PCBs of higher classes with built-in components. We believe these products will be in high demand, particularly in view of the strong development of the radio electronics sector in Russia. The estimated portfolio could reach 100 orders per day, and the lead times are 2 to 3 days. To ensure this, we have to thoroughly consider issues such as production and order management, to implement advanced CAM systems for data processing, and to use state-of-the-art ERP systems for the entire facility. In order to meet high product requirements, the project includes advanced process equipment from leading global manufacturers. This refers to the entire production chain: chemical processes, machining, imaging, lamination, inspection, and so on. The facility is scheduled for commissioning in the first half of 2014. The facility will also serve as a research center focused on developing new PCB manufacturing technologies and improving existing ones. Close partnership with educational and technical research institutes, including those located in Science Town Dubna, will allow us to train skilled PCB manufacturing engineers and designers for national companies. The architectural solution of the facility includes a lecture room and a conference hall. As the facility reaches the design capacity and gains sufficient experience, we are planning to provide comprehensive services, including PCB design, assembly of electronic components, and testing of final products. This project will be beneficial in terms of enhancing the quality of PCBs manufactured in Russia and will enable the most ambitious, innovative electronics projects to be implemented in this country. Our competitive advantages in the Russian market, as compared with manufacturers from Asia and Europe, include short order handling times due to active interaction with customers and product developers, short lead times and speedy delivery of products to the end user, and the capability to manufacture a wide range of complex, high technology and quality boards. Operation of the facility in the Dubna Special Economic Zone will also provide substantial customs and tax privileges and other benefits.
The expected investment at production setup phase is 58 million euros. This includes 42 million euros provided as a long-term export loan by a large Czech bank and secured by a Czech state insurance company, and 16 million euros provided by Svязь Engineering CJSC from its own funds.
The expected annual turnover of the envisaged research and production facility will amount to 26 million euros. The payback period is 66 months from production start. The project is implemented with the support of the UNIDO Center for International Industrial Cooperation in the Russian Federation and with the assistance of the Russian Trade Delegation in the Czech Republic. The project has also received support from the Russian-Czech Intergovernmental Commission. The turnkey construction of the facility will be performed by a large Czech building company in cooperation with a high-tech PCB manufacturer from the Czech Republic. We invite cooperation from suppliers of equipment and materials.
Our business strategy focuses on ensuring efficient production capable of meeting the increasing demand from the electronics industry for state-of-the-art quality PCBs of high complexity, manufactured within the shortest possible time.